morning, traders. I would like to summarize this week as it's been one of the slowest weeks on record, and here's the reason why. Bullish rally overextended, bullish rally frozen in correction on institutional weekly chart. Institutions holding positions, institutions adding to their longs, S&P not far off from historical highs. Knowledgeable trader understands the danger of this market. This is a dance on day trading chart. This is day trading chart that's showing you very clearly buying into Fibonacci reversal zone and shorting into Fibonacci support, never an option. This chart showing you that Fibonacci will always keep you on the right side of the market and out of trouble. This chart also showing you that your success in trading starts from mastering corrections and having viable strategy. S&P in correction the entire week. Can be in correction for days, weeks and months to come until institutions will start closing the positions. You better be ready. So this is your key day trading chart. If I convert this chart to 5 minute, take a look on this range. All these Fibonacci levels had been identified well before trading room open, before market room open on Monday. What is the maximum points the entire week? 8. If I convert this chart to 15, identical dance. Do you understand what separates corrections from reversals? Do you understand how dangerous this range is? If you know Fibonacci levels, if you know Fibonacci strategies taught in the course, of course you do. All you have to do, play by the rules. All you have to do is be prepared for volatility. Never ever buy into reversal zone. Never ever short into Fibonacci support was extremely clear lesson this week. And just to recap what's happening across all other instruments, here's the example of Tesla. And here's ultimate reminder that news of Tesla going private does not mean a thing, as Tesla pulling back as expected from reversal zone, as discussed in the room, heading to this Fibonacci support. No reason to pull a trigger randomly. The only reason to play by the rules. As oil reminding you all we discussed yesterday morning, take a look on this sell-off from Fibonacci reversal zone identified months in advance. Whereas oil dancing this morning at exact same support as identified in prior video well before oil news as expected, famous 67 area, where buyers stepped in on oil time and time again in early July and the last 2 days, which also confirms with day trading chart on oil. All exact same formula. Sell at Fibonacci reversal zone when rules are met. And it doesn't matter how phenomenal bearish news is. Never ever short near Fibonacci reversal zone, as I warned you well before that happened. So pretty please review prior video from yesterday well before oil news, as I kept warning you for months. Do not ever short near reversal zone. We do not care how bearish the news is. All we care about is Fibonacci levels that overrode the news once again last week when bearish news came out, that overrode the news again this week when bearish news came out. All identified well before the news. So, doesn't matter if you trade Tesla as an investor, doesn't matter if you trade oil as day trader, doesn't matter if you trade Apple, that's frozen at reversal zone, just like S&P. All exact same formula. Slowest week on record on Apple, slowest week on record on S&P. If you know the rules, you know what to do. You are not babysitting the charts. You are respecting correction. And that's ultimate lesson, ultimate test of your knowledge. This is what you learn in the course. This is the reason hedge fund managers alongside with beginner traders taking the course. Your success starts from mastering corrections and understanding rules for trend inception and trend reversal levels. Gold at ultimate reversal zone. Knowing when to enter gold is a key. Gold frozen in correction for the last 4 weeks. Gold can collapse to drastically lower levels. Do not ever pull a trigger randomly. In 2017, bullish rally on gold started at ultimate trend inception. Every single chart identical Fibonacci levels. Every single chart reminding you. Fibonacci remains the same. Risk management and trader psychology is the key. In the course you learn that this is your ultimate target, no matter what you trade. In the course you learn ultimate points of entry at trend inception. In the course you learn that identical strategy applies to Apple, to Tesla, to gold, to silver. As silver crawling down to decision point 2, where buyers stepped in from in 2016. So do not make assumptions that price always collapsing to reversal zone. Cannot be more opposite. Bright green level is ultimate level. Do not make assumption that only S&P is slow. Google crawl is on. Been frozen in correction the entire last week. And Google reminding you, ultimate target, bright green level, where Google collapsed from this year, from 1172 all the way to 1000. Buy as low as possible. Respect this as your key target, no matter what you trade. And most importantly, the focus in the course right now, two twin charts. The focus on the course right now, two historical formations. The focus in the course right now is to remind you, lowest volatility on record will not last forever. You must be prepared for institutions closing their positions, as market testing you to the core. This is a dance across multiple instruments. Ultimate corrections across gold, across silver, across stocks, across all indexes. Bullish rallies overextended. You must be prepared for what will play out next. Every single rule you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Every single trader in the course trades different account size. Option traders, stock traders, futures traders, trading the method in US and global. It's never been the best time to sign up, as there is nothing to do in babysitting the charts. If you can master these markets, you can trade anything. This is what your success starts from. Being prepared for ultimate volatility is a key. We start from scratch in the classes on Monday morning. Key class right after trading room close. All group classes are live 8 weeks. Private mentoring 16 weeks includes all group classes. You learn proprietary Fibonacci strategies, proprietary Fibonacci tool. You have supplemental online modules. Classes start early on Mondays. No volatility. We go into class as early as 11 a.m. EST. Key class on Friday. I am with students before market open on Thursday at 9:15 EST with guided live trading. Money management, trading psychology is a key. In private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. If you would like to have your charts identical to mine, I will gladly set up Ninja Trader 7 for you. We focus on the instrument of your choice, on the time frame of your choice. You have access to all group classes as well. Technical execution is also focused in private mentoring. Do not ever hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So ladies and gentlemen, please listen to the latest audio testimony from Anna, future stocks index and options trader. Anna currently in the course. So, as you know, the most important opinion always comes from students and graduates of the course. You can pull up all the testimonies under orange section or again on education page. Never hesitate to contact me at contact us page info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. As once again, target crawling on, reminding you Fibonacci resistance, bright green line never to be ignored. Since 2016, it remains key target, crawl is on. S&P remains frozen in correction. Fibonacci keeps trader on the right side of the market. If you know the rules, you're monitoring for your point of entry at key support, which had been playing out the entire week in European session. Most of US session, when trading room had been open, market had been frozen in correction. Doing this. Master corrections. Only then you are on your way to be successful. Only then you know when not to make your broker happy. Only then you understand that being babysitter of the markets, being trigger-happy cowboy, never a recipe for success. Being knowledgeable trader is. As S&P staging pullback, once again as expected from reversal zone, identified days in advance on any chart you choose to trade. No surprise. So, if short will play out and rules are met, reversal zone where you short from, not where you buy into. And that's ultimate lesson this week. And that's ultimate reminder across all instruments, no matter what you trade. That's the market in front of you the entire week. So, never hesitate to contact me. Always look forward to hearing from you. We start from scratch on Monday.